Here are sample problems on how to solve for the slope of an equation using differential calculus. Number 1. Find the slope of the curve y equals the square root of quantity of 25 minus x squared at point 4, 3. Slope is equals to the change of y over change of x, or in prime notation that is, y prime. We will be using this formula, and that is 1 over 2 square root of 25 minus x squared, then times du, which is negative 2x. Then solve for the slope at value of x equals to 4 units. And the answer is negative 4/3 or negative 1.33. Now, let's try solving this problem using a calculator. Press Shift, then the derivative button, then input the function to be derived, square root of 25 minus x squared, and input the value of x equals to 4 to find the value of slope at that point. Press equals, and you'll get your answer, negative 1.33 or negative 4/3. For the second item, the curve is y equals to x times the quantity of for x minus 1 raised to power of 2, and the given point is 1/2. To differentiate, we will use the product rule. Then solve for the value of the slope at point x equals to 1/2. And the slope is 5. Now, let's solve this one using the calculator too. Input the function x times the quantity of for x minus 1 squared, and input value of x as 1/2. Press equals and you'll get the same answer, which is 5. Let's go to our next problem. The curve this time is y equals to x divided by quantity of x squared plus 1. We have to solve for the slope at point 1, 1/2. Now, we will be using the quotient formula. The value of our slope is 0. This means that the tangent line at this point is horizontal. Let's solve the slope using our calculator. Input x over x squared plus 1, and for the value of x, we will use 1. Press equals and the answer is 0. For the last problem, y is equals to quantity of 2x minus 1 squared times the quantity of x minus 2 cubed. Solve for the slope at point 1, negative 1. Differentiate using the product rule. At x equals to 1, the value of the slope is negative 1. Let's try our calculator. Input the function. By the way, be mindful on how you input the brackets properly. Then, input the given value of x equals to 1, and we'll get the value of slope equals to negative 1. That is all for today's video. Column.